everyone, I'm at the Frelinghuysen Arboretum, and behind me there is habitat restoration in the works. So this is the 2021 habitat restoration project at the Arboretum, where they will be replacing invasive species with native species, and that will help with the value of the habitat and will help the river from eroding and will increase the ecosystem in this area. So how cool is this? Right now you can just see that they're beginning to plant things here, but I'm sure in about 2 years we're going to see growth of some native species, and that's really important for the health of the ecosystem. So I would like to know from you, what are the differences between invasive and native species, and why can invasive species be so harmful for an ecosystem? See you later!